Well, good morning. Greg Masiolik here, President of the Knoxville Breakfast Rotary Club. I've been asked to talk about some inexpensive video recording equipment that I've ran across and have been using now for the last several months, actually since February. And I want to share it with you because not only can you use it at your Rotary Club to record speakers and events, you can use it with your kids too. And so it's a very good tool and inexpensive. So let me talk to you about this. This is the Kodak Z-i8 camera. Now typically this retails for $199, $179. I paid $99 for it, but recently Office Max has been running sales on it at $69. Now here's what the camera looks like. It doesn't look much bigger than iPhone, but it's pretty neat. It'll record up to 1080. Normally for the internet you want to use about 720. And it comes with, it's all self-contained. It has a place for the disc. It has a USB connector built in. It also has an HDMI receptacle so that if you want to play something on your flat screen you can do that as well. Has an AC source, and the most important thing about this camera, it has a remote microphone switch. Without that, most cameras, up until you get to about $1,000, you don't get remote mic capability. So in other words, you have to use the ambient microphone on the camera. Now this obviously has an ambient microphone, but I'm recording now with a wireless microphone. And the beauty of that is then that you get the person talking as opposed to all the background noise. Obviously, if you're at an event, you're going to be recording what you can get, but this is pretty important. For a $69 camera that provides all of that, that's a steal. So that's the camera. So what comes with it? You get an HDMI cable. Ta-da. You also get RCA plugs. You get an AC power pack. And you get a battery. Now, here's some things you have to buy. So you get all that for $69, $99, whatever you can get. It's really a good deal. Now you need to purchase some other things. The camera has very limited internal memory. So you need to buy a disk. It'll take up to 32 gig disk. I've been working with a 16 gig disk, costs you about $44 at Best Buy, and works good. You want to get one of the newer cards that records, that plays back quickly. The 200X is probably pretty good. The other thing you want to look at is buying a microphone. Now I went down to Radio Shack and I've used this microphone. I don't know, you're not going to be able to see that very good. But $29 plus tax gives you a microphone that is hardwired. And then you can buy for $8 more an 8-foot cable. You can buy a longer cable. So this would work for most cases where you're going to have a stationary speaker standing at a podium. Works very well. So when you start, and then you got to buy yourself a carrying case. So when I add up everything, you get a camera for $76, a memory card, $44, $10 for a carrying case, microphone, $29, and a cable, $8. That comes to $167 plus some money for Uncle Bill, the governor. Now, you have to use a tripod if you're going to do any serious recording with this camera because it's just too small and it doesn't stand up by itself. And tripods run anywhere from $20 to you can spend hundreds of dollars on a tripod depending what you want. You can buy a $20 one that sits on a desktop. I think the average one you can probably buy for $20, $30. So let's say you spend $30, you're right around $200 for the whole package. If you went to the PETS conference, pre-PETS rather, no, PETS conference, I recorded the president-elect, and we put it up on the district YouTube channel. And this comes with software for editing and everything else, putting on titles and things all over the place. So anyways, I wanted to share that with you, and I thought the best way to share it with you is to actually record using this particular camera. So again, a Kodak Z small I8, Office Max, $69 lately. I've bought 3 of them myself because I do training, and when you think about videos for internet and things like that, really cool. So that's all I've got. I'll be glad. I'm going to come on live now and answer any questions you might have. So thanks for your patience, and have a good district assembly.